Hello friends, now today we are going to see what is all about the compact PLC and a modular PLC. In these slides you can see the block diagram of compact PLC as well as a separate block diagram of modular PLC. First we will see what is compact PLC. It includes the input, then output along with the power supply and a CPU, that is central processing unit. In this, input output is fixed and it will be decided or determined by the manufacturer that how many input output should he use for the particular application or for a particular PLC. These compact PLCs are used for small scale uses and a single case contains the multiple built-in modules. In this, the CPU, input output interfaces and other components are mounted in a compact chassis, or I can say on a frame. Now we will see the modular PLC. You can see from this block diagram of modular PLC, it consists of power supply, CPU and input output modules, interface module. In the modular PLC, one rack will consist of 11 slots. Now you will say, what about these 11 slots? Okay, so now out of 11 slots, the power supply connects with the slot number 1. Got it? Then the central processing unit CPU is fixed in slot number 2 and the interface module is fixed in slot number 3, and the remaining slot number 4 to 11 are used for the signal module communication purpose or for the peripheral module. Got it, all of you? Now I will just quickly explain what is the difference between the compact PLC and a modular PLC. In compact PLC, it is also known as integrated PLC or fixed PLC, whereas the modular PLC is also known as rack mounted PLC. Now, considering the capabilities of input and output, in compact PLC, the number of inputs and number of outputs are fixed because input output capabilities are decided by the manufacturer but not by the user as explained earlier to you in compact PLC, whereas in modular PLC the number of input and output are not fixed. Inputs and outputs can be added to the modular PLC systems by the user. Now we will see the internal modules of both. Considering the internal module, compact PLC has inputs and outputs modular fitted with CPU, whereas in modular PLC, several components are fitted on chassis, or I can say frame or rack or bus with different slots. Considering the point repair, in compact PLC it is not easy to repair, whereas in modular PLC it is easier to maintain and easier to repair also as compared to compact PLC. In compact, very few capabilities are there to store the data and information, because it is decided by the manufacturer. The user, one who is making the program on the PLC, so he cannot increase the capabilities. So considering this point, this compact PLC has very fewer capabilities, whereas in modular PLC it has more memory and capabilities to store more data. While considering the applications in compact, it is very useful for smaller applications and most suitable for domestic purposes, whereas the modular PLC is used for industrial purposes and also for the future industrial expansion and growth. Now, considering the size, the compact PLC is smaller in size, whereas the modular PLC, it occurs in a large size with the input-output connections, power supply, computing capabilities and input-output pins, etc. Then the cost, compact PLC is economic, whereas the modular PLC is costlier as compared to compact PLC. Hope you all must have understand the main difference or the concept of the compact PLC as well as of the modular PLC. Keep studying. Thank you.